Hello, AP Psychology students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and we are going to take a look at the free response question for Chapter 12. And if you have that handout, go ahead and take that out and follow along, and you can get your information written down. Below here, Corey has difficulty leaving his home on time since it takes him so long to check everything and to make sure that his bedroom is clean. He gets upset easily when his mother tries to rush him. He will yell and scream when she asks him to stop and to get going. Explain what impact each of the following terms has on Corey's behavior, and then kind of how does this relate to Corey. So we're going to take a look. One of your first items here was obsessive compulsive disorder. And we know that OCD is an anxiety disorder where obsessions turn into compulsive behavior. And in the case of Corey, his cleaning and checking are typical of someone who has OCD. Letter B, affect. This refers anytime to emotion or mood. It is often inappropriate in those with psychological disorders. Corey's effect is inappropriate and out of proportion. That's the reason why he's a little short as far as his temperament towards his mother. The DSM, and we could be talking about the old edition DSM 4 or the current version, the DSM 5. The DSM stands for the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual. This has been used to diagnose psychological disorders. And Corey's psychologist would probably use the DSM to diagnose his OCD. And I'm assuming it's not her, but his. Letter D, psychopathology. This is a synonym for psychological disorders that refers to the behavior and emotions that are inappropriate to the situation that lead to personal difficulties. And as we saw in the question here, Corey's behavior meets all of this criteria. Finally, letter E, the behavioral perspective. The behavioral perspective, we're looking primarily at behavior, not necessarily um, what's happening as far as unconscious motives or anything like that. This says that abnormal behavior is the result of reinforcement in the environment and therefore is learned. So Corey, um, for the most part, has reinforced some of these behaviors by not feeling anxious when he completes his rituals of cleaning and checking. I hope that you got everything written down, and if you need to go back, obviously you can do so. Thanks.